back out here today with the rest of that HSL ammo I did in the last video. I've got my 43X this time. I told you guys I was a much better shooter with it. Hopefully on camera that plays a part in it. We don't have anything loaded in it yet. I got full mags. I bought a microphone. I realized in that last video you guys couldn't hear a word I was saying right after a couple shots. Hopefully this fixes it. I moved the GoPro too, so you're facing the plates. Hopefully you guys can see everything a little bit better. Hopefully I don't end up hitting it. In the last video, something came off the plate and actually hit the GoPro. But it's fine. We're gonna try not to shoot it. We're gonna work on some more drills. Again, I'm gonna start off out of the holster, just do a couple double drills on the steel, and then we'll go back to doing some draws and stuff like that. We'll see if we're any faster with this gun, or getting faster or slower, or figure out what we need to work on. But hopefully you guys can hear me a lot better today with this mic. Ooh, can't even see the dot. Okay. It's weird moving in a jacket. Obviously it got a lot colder here too, but gotta be ready for it. So rusty, cold, fingers cold. Carry this gun the same setup. Well, not really the same setup. Carry a flush mag, shield arms mag in the gun, and then I carry my second mag, which is an extended shield arms mag, projectiles away from me in my pocket. I don't know, too much of a belly or something. The holsters with the like mag carriers and stuff, I can't get comfortable with them. As long as I can get to that second mag in a hurry and when I need to, it is what it is. There's 20 in here. We'll probably do 5 sets of doubles and then get into something. I lost track. That was way more than 5 sets. My fault. Alright. We'll do some stuff just from the low ready, and then get the other mag filled up. .112. Missed. .92, I missed just off the right side. Hopefully the GoPro, you guys can see that. .107. .98. .104. 8.7, getting there. .93. 1.15. Okay, so I'm hitting better, which is a good sign. Right around the same speeds though. But yeah, I'm gonna refill some ammo. We'll do this some more. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. A lot more clothing on, a much smaller gun. We'll see how she does though. I'm just gonna do draw ones, just see if I can get around that. I'm pretty sure with the 47 I was around the 2-second mark. Let's try and see if I can get under that, but let's see. .219, but first round hit, so we're doing better than the other one. Ooh. Ooh. That's just a failure to feed. That could be a magazine problem, which, if it is, it's the first time I've ever had an issue out of these magazines. Oh, excuse me. Oh. It's just that round doesn't, there it goes. That round didn't want to go in. Maybe the gun's dirty. I'm not blaming the ammo yet. Wow. You guys could have saw that jump from a mile away. All right, let's relax. Let's get back into it. Let's slow down a little bit here. .306, slow as shit. So, one thing I will say, they're Glocks. I don't know if it's the difference in the sight, but that 47, I really have to drive down more. I don't know why, to get, not while I'm shooting, just to try and find my dot. This one is more of a, it just feels flatter for some reason. I don't know. This one's mounted right to the MOS. The other one's mounted right to the MOS. That one's a Trijicon RMR. This one's an EPS carry, Holosun obviously. This one's on Holosun's plate, and the Trijicon I'm pretty sure is right on the MOS, no plate or nothing. Again, so difference in carry guns, you got to know what you're carrying and how they react. .194, so sub 2 seconds, but I know that 47 had some faster times than that. .94 again. Oh shit. Don't listen to that. Pushed it one too many times. Ooh. 1.77. I'm thinking I went just under it. .181. Ah, I hit the button again. Ignore the beep. Just off the left side, 206. .199. .206. Nope. Just a mediocre shooter. Can't get low. Just off the right side, 205. Yeah, 4. I got 5 left, I think. We'll do one more single, and then we'll do 2 doubles. .184. Oh, I lied. I've only got 3 left. So, do one more single, then a double. Just off the left side, 203. All right, let's try and put 2 into it. Missed the first one. First shot was 205, second shot was 279. So right around that 2 second mark. Okay. different pistol, different magazine, a little bit smaller magazine. We'll do a 1R1. I hate saying it. One reload one. First shot was at 2 seconds flat, so right at my 2 second mark. Second shot was 5.53, so 3.53 split on it. Do another one. That was fast. That was a miss. No lock back. 216 first shot, 685 second shot. No lock back on that first shot. In one of my videos I talked so highly about these magazines, and now they're first shot 205, second shot 535, 329 split. Oh, I hate to break it to you guys. I'm just a 2 second guy. Miss low. 191 first shot, 495 second shot, 304 split. Let's do one more. Miss low. Hit. First shot 206, second shot 569, 363 split. Alright, like always, can't end on a miss. So we're gonna do one more. Lock back. 257 first shot, 689 second shot, 432 split. Okay. Let's do. Well, there's more than 5 in here. I don't know how many there are. Let's do a couple. Do a low ready on the small one. .155. I don't think I hit it. It moved, but I don't think I hit it. 135. Just off the right side, 135. One more. Just off the right side, 177. All right, let's just, there's like 4 rounds left. We'll just quickly, accurately into the A zone. Don't do that. First shot was 135, 34 total. 66, 72, 67 split. Okay. Reload again. Do some more. All right. I'm gonna let y'all make fun of my bill drill. And then I'm going to do some practicing off camera, and then we'll come back again like we did last time. I don't want to bore you guys too much, but give you a little bit of fuel, make fun of me. Oops. That was a 298, but it was only 5 shots. .49, 49, 44, 45. Not bad splits, pretty consistent. Let's try and put this plate back up quick. Well, I shot the bolt out of it. So I'm gonna try and do the rest of the bullets I have. We'll just do some random stuff, no timing. I'm just gonna go from target to target to target, and I'll try and talk through which one I'm going for and which one I miss. And I'll try and set that plate back up, but I don't think I have any more of those bolts here, so here we go. We're gonna go for the small one first up top. Miss. Small one down low. Hit. Small one back up top. Miss. Hit. Green circle. There it is. Holy crap. Green bottom. Blue bottom. At least I got that down. Let's go for my little squirrel buddy there. That's another one not going to want to go in. This might be a... I don't know. I'm not an expert. Don't like that. Squirrel again. Green circle. Green bottle. Blue bottle. Green bottle. Green bottle. Blue bottle. Green bottle. Woo! Blue bottle. Green bottle. Blue bottle. Miss. Oh, I hit a couple of them while they were moving. It's pretty good. I don't know if that's a barrel issue. It doesn't look that dirty. If it's a magazine issue, but like I said, I've never had issues out of these shield mags, but time on them, I guess. I don't know. I will say this, the ammo is a little bit dirty. You get that nice black tint to it, but I know I don't have any of those bolts here, so what I'll do is I'll draw a dot on that pink one, or on the not pink one, because I only have a red pen on me, and we'll shoot some off camera and I'll touch back with you guys. All right, I just did 2015 is 35, 3570, 35 105. I just did 105, just draw shoot. I'm definitely faster with this gun. I'm definitely more accurate. I've had less misses, but I'm gonna eat my words now that I'm on camera. But anyways, the slowest one I did was a 191, I believe, and the fastest was a 148. Now, I'm not oh, I did it in a 148 and I can do it always. No, it's what you can repeat. So I would say on average, the most numbers I saw were in the 1.7 range. 1.6s were there a lot too, but again, I'd rather say I'm slower and work up. I'd love to be able to do 148 all the time. To me, it sounds blazing fast, but because I was shooting at a 2.0 to 2.5 before, so again, I think if you get down near a second, I mean, you're fast as hell. But again, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but a 1.5 out and shot, that's pretty good, but it's not lightning fast. So I loaded back up. I got 35 rounds. We'll run through 15, see how it's going, how quick it's going, and then we'll try one more build drill, I guess. I didn't have I didn't have another bolt, so I took the other one down and put it on that hanger, so we just have the big target up, or bigger target. It's not a big target at all. And we'll go for it. So 10 yards on an A zone with a 43X. I missed. First shot. First shot I missed. I told you I was going to eat my words. And it was a 184. Awful. Awful, awful, awful. All right, well, we got the first one out of the way. .178. Okay. So I'm not a total liar about the 1.7s. All right, we're gonna redo that. The gun was not in battery, and I felt it click, and it threw me off. Apologize for that. That was weird. .183, and I missed again. You guys should be here when I'm not recording. .168. Okay. Yeah, we're not going to talk about that one. .173, missed. .198. That felt faster than that, but okay. I missed .189. Pissing me off. .177. Just off the right side. .195. .164. So when I hit, I'm in the 1.6s. And when I miss, I'm in the 1.8s. So just overthinking it, I reckon. I don't know. I'm gonna do a couple more just because I was talking a big game, and now I told you once I get on camera I eat my words. .171. Missed left side. .179. All right. I would just leave this mag in, but it's not how I carry it, and I don't want to get used to being able to grab something else. Just under it. .168. Just, you'll have that on them big jobs. There's no way. No way. .189. All right. One more. One more. One more. For reals this time. 181. I don't know what it is. I'm pushing too hard because I'm on camera. I don't know. When I wasn't recording, I was doing phenomenal. I swear I need a cameraman just to be walking around filming, and I don't know when the camera's on or off. But, so, with all that being said, I'd say I'm more out of a 1.8 repeatable because I couldn't repeat it. I had a couple 1.7s, but not like I was. I mean, I was shooting one of them, the small mag, every single one of them was in the 1.7s, and I didn't miss a single time. So, I don't know. I just am mediocre. So, we'll try it again. Well, we're not doing that again. I'm just going to do a low ready and see my times on that. .94. 118. 0.91. 0.96. Just off the left side, 0.95. Just off the left side, 0.91. Ooh, I rode the slide on that one. I felt it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I got 7, so we'll do one more. Missed. 106. All right. I make fun of build drills a lot. It's only because I'm not good at them, so we're going to do one more. Okay. Terrible at them. It was 7 shots at 14.79 with 1, 2, 3 on the first shot, 4.9, 3.6, 4.2, 3.2, 3.7. Yeah. Oh no. It wasn't 7 shots. It picked something else up. It was 3 seconds total. 3.7, 3.2, 4.2, 3.6, which all sounds great, but I fucking missed. Sorry for cussing YouTube. I don't know how the rules work on this. But yeah, so like I said last time, get out there, train. Obviously, I need more of it. You need more of it. We all need more of it. But yeah, I do a lot better off camera than I do on camera for some reason. But with all that being said, you guys didn't see it, so it didn't happen. So I shoot 1.8s, and we'll call it that, and that's it. But I swear on my life, I shot a 1.45 or 4.8, 1.48, and a hit. I don't remember what it was. I wasn't recording, so I couldn't tell you. But until next time, I appreciate it, and thanks for coming.